20 years ago, Where the Time was a massive hit for Voicemail, Bogle and Deli Ranks. In 2004, the song did mash up the charts. But let's get the backstory behind this hit from Voicemail member Craig in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Yeah, me I said to them for know this is Craig with a Q from the group Voicemail, and let me tell you this, dancehall and reggae are Fiwi culture. I was by Danny house and he was showing me some books of poems that he used to write when he was incarcerated. And one of the poems them I was gravitated to, and I put some melody around it, and he was just blown away. So he was like, say could I do that with the rest of the poems? And I said, yeah. So he got this magical idea to do a song with Bogle. So we were just there talking about it. And I said, Danny, we cannot do a song with Bogle and Bogle not here.
After me tell him say the best of them, they make me have to tell him say the worst of them there. All them there, we all them that did that.
Danny used to have this friend we work with him called Too Tall. So he said, Too Tall, see if you get, go down to Roses and see if you get Bogle. Boom, go Roses, pick up Bogle and come back, and we were at the side of the house. And we just had talk, and Bogle just talking and me just writing. I wasn't even writing a song, just lines and things what him say. Me like that, so me write that. And then we call Deli. Deli come in and we vibe some more, and then we leave from there and go to Big Yard. At the time, the Ballers was working at Big Yard, and we just attack a whole bunch of stuff. So when I went into the booth, we had the chorus already though. It's a jiggy time again. So when I went into the booth, I never know what I was going to do verse-wise. So I just go, bust the place. Everybody would just bust the place. And the studio went insane. Bogle went in after, and Bogle just talk. You know what I mean? Because Bogle is and still is, rest in peace, the slang god. For me personally, in my career, that experience to date is still one of the most magical experiences. That moment was just epic. The rhythm was built by Christopher Birch, and the rhythm and the song was mixed by EB. Everybody watch I shankle dip. Follow me Sawaki and you shankle dip. All right. Yo, the first time you heard that song from the radio, I still couldn't believe it, because we used to just enjoy hearing jingles, you know. When Voicemail hear a jingle on the radio, the world stop. Like, it's just the best thing ever. So if you hear Where the Time, and I mean, play it so much till people are wonder, yo, I can't find the next song. No, cause give you a joke. Where the Time was just fun for us. You know what I mean? I not even know it would be that serious, because we were just having fun. But Danny believed in the song from the beginning.
New style, style can't spoil. New style, watch Frankie trade him with the new style.
We started traveling as a group after that song. Our first work permit experience was still to date the best, because we had to sing for a visa. Meaning, when they were interviewing us, I would say we were a group, and the lady was like, "Oh, you're a group." I would say, "Yeah, you want us to sing something for you?" Of course, she's not going to say no. So we started to sing, and everybody that was being interviewed, them stopped interviewing them, and everybody come and watch. It did open a lot of doors. Then we start doing some work with Dan Carleone, and the rest is history.
Let's say you see a painting where you like, how would you approach them? The public gave us their best pickup lines in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment, so let's check it out.
Why Pree?
Alright, maybe if I see him in a bar setting or something like that, I'll say, "Can I offer you a drink?"
So look, very sexy and nice, and so yeah, not more.
Speechless. Let's go to her and see how is the day, you know? Regular talking. Find something fun with her, you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah. There wouldn't be a specific pickup line. It's based on the mood and the time, you know? All depends.
So what would you say to her?
What would I say? Like, hello, good afternoon, baby girl. How are you? You fine? You know, and after that, based on how she respond, follow through.
Well, my approach is just go to her and say, it can't be $100 to buy something. No man now go to her and say that. May I tell you? So me are just different.
I never yet see a man where I wouldn't like. Man always see me and like me, so that's it.
Hello, my friend. You're so sexy. Like, can I have a moment of my time, please?
Baby, wow, go on, you're good?
So what's your best pickup line? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show, on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comments section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
All right, my side, we're now in Yala St. Thomas, which marks the end of this week's episode of Pree the Show. You don't know I'm your host, Naldo Addy, and I'll see you guys next time.